There you go. This is exactly Bilobilo. Look at that. Consistency is so perfect. This is how I make Bilobilo or Binignit. Guys, welcome back to my channel again. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a traditional Filipino dish, which is mostly we're doing this one Holy Friday. Bilobilo or Binignit in Bisaya. So this is my all ingredients, right? Gabi in Bisaya, taro root in English, and this one is sweet potato, purple sweet and yellow sweet potato, banana, coconut milk, brown sugar. This is Bilobilo, which is made from or glutinous rice, and this one is sagu or tapioca. Yeah, let's get it on. For the recipe, click in the description below. I write it down all the recipe. Just boiled water around 1 liter and then add the taro root or the gabi. Then cover until it's cooked. So next steps. You're gonna add the sweet potato, the yellow and the purple. So just cook for about 5 to 6 minutes and cover it. Now the next steps, we're going to add the bilobilo or the glutinous rice balls. Then slowly stir it. So next steps, gonna add the tapioca balls or the sagu. And then gentle stir it. Cover. Now I'm gonna add the banana, the sliced banana, and then stir it gentle. Then add the coconut milk, about 1 liter, and the sugar, around 2 cups of sugar or brown sugar. You can use white if you want. Cover again, bring it to boil. This is exactly the Bilobilo. There you go. Look at that. Consistency is so perfect. Not too sticky, not too watery. This is how I make Bilobilo or Binignit. So let's try. Let's try one bite. So delicious.